Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you having a Jeep Grand Cherokee, that generation here. If you guys need to find where the occupancy sensor for the airbag system fuses relays are located in the passenger seat, you know, when you sit on that seat, it detects the weight of the passenger, so it knows whether to activate the front right airbag or not. Stay with us, we'll explain about that. Guys, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This video is not a how-to video. Even though we're just checking fuses, if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag systems, never pull fuses, never check them. Okay, take it to a certified technician. Why? Because you can cause the system to malfunction, which can cause injuries or death. Now, a quick reminder for any of you that are qualified and certified to work on airbag systems, disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour, even if you're just checking a fuse. Number 2, you need to know which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first, otherwise you can cause damages to modules, computers, and cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, oh, by the way guys, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out, all this video will be on the channel. Guys, in addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the occupancy sensor, the occupancy mat, which fuses and relays you need to check on that Jeep Grand Cherokee, come to show you guys. Depending on the year model, you have 2 different types of fuse boxes in it. We'll cover the information about both of them. Make sure to stay until the end. We need to open the hood, and facing the engine on the left side you have a fuse box here. Open that cover guys. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one for year model 2014 to year 2022, and guys, if you have 2011 to year 2013, you have that fuse box layout here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time, and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. So let's start on it now guys. We'll demonstrate about 2011 to 2013 year model first. Consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This is not a how-to video. Guys, the fuses that we need to check are known as M16 and M32. And you wonder where these fuses are located, guys. Well, check this thing out. Under that special cover, that's why it's special, because you're not supposed to check these fuses. Okay, take it only to certified technician. Those are the 2 fuses right here. If you have 2014 to 2022, the fuses that we need to check are known as fuse number 85 and 86. And we're talking about these 2 10 amp fuses right here. You don't have relays. The relay function is controlled by the airbag control module. So you just have these fuses that are known as relay fuses for the airbag system, most likely on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.